In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave a Discord server. If you're trying to clean up your Discord sidebar, reduce notifications, or simply leave a community you no longer want to be part of, this is a very quick process. I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly what to look for. Start by opening Discord on your device. This can be the desktop app, the browser version, or the mobile app, depending on where you normally use it. Once Discord is open, give it a moment to fully load so all of your servers appear in the sidebar or server list. Next, click on the Discord server you want to leave. Make sure you choose the correct one, especially if you're in several servers with similar icons or names. Opening the server first is important because it brings up that server's specific options and settings. After that, click on the server's name. You'll usually find this near the top of the screen once you're inside the server. Clicking the server name opens a menu with different actions related to that community. This is where Discord keeps the option to manage or exit the server. From that menu, click on Leave. Depending on the version of Discord you're using, the wording may appear as Leave Server, but it means the same thing. Once you select it, Discord may ask you to confirm your choice. If that happens, just confirm and you'll be removed from the server. That's all it takes. After leaving, the server will disappear from your server list and you'll no longer receive messages or notifications from it. If the server is public or you're invited back later, you may still be able to rejoin, but leaving removes you for now. And that's how to leave a Discord server quickly and easily.